Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tesla Live to Learn. In previous lectures, we have seen example problems on work and time aptitude concept, and in last video, we have learned how to calculate total time taken when two or more people are working together. So in this video, we'll see some tricky questions based on what we have discussed so far. So let us move to example number 6. Question is, A is twice faster as B and can finish work in 20 days before B. Find time in which work will be finished if they both work together. So given data is A is twice faster as B. So if A take 10 days, B will take 20 days. That is the meaning of that. So let us say time taken by A is x days. So what will be the time taken by B? Time taken by B will be 2x days. So in given data, difference between 2x and x is 20 days. So and finish 20 days before B. That is the given data. So 2x minus x is 20 days. So x will be 20, which is nothing but total number of days taken by A to finish work. And what will be the 2x? 2x will be the 40 days. And as we discussed previously, so if they are working together, total time taken to finish work if they are working together is xy by x plus y. This is the formula we have seen in previous videos. So we need to remember this formula. If two people are working together, they can finish work in xy by x plus y days, where x and y are time taken by them individually. Okay. What is x here? 20. What is y here? 40. X plus y is 60. So n equal to 1, 3. 40 by 3 days. Okay. This is the formula. If you are not familiar with this, okay, you just go through the previous lecture. We derived this formula in that lecture. I have provided the link in description. Let us move to next problem. The next problem is, a certain number of men can finish work in 120 days. If 16 more join them, they can finish 20 days before. So find the number of men at starting. So let us say x number of men are working. They can finish in 120 days. And if 16 more joins, they can finish 20 days before. That is 120 minus 20, 100 days. So that is this is P1, this is T1, this is P2, and this is T2. As we discussed earlier, when more number of people are working, time taken will be less. If less number of people are there, time taken will be more, and relationship between these two will be P1 T1 equal to P2 T2. So, as time is inversely proportional to total number of persons, P1 T1 equal to P2 T2. Okay, we will substitute that x into 120 equal to x plus 16 into 100. So what will be the x value? 1.2x equal to x plus 16. 0.2x is 16. X will be 16 by 0.2, that is 80 men. Starting 80 members are working together, and they